Y'all, it is way too quiet in my house and I can hear everything out the door. And I'm pretty sure people can hear me sitting up here talking to myself. And it's a little bit awkward.
She's a runner, she's a drag star. I can't let you get away, you got my heart. And you've been waiting on the day that I switch up and crop these bitches out the frame, ditties and stuff. I don't really wanna find nobody. You just wasn't here, so I had to find somebody. You finally made it clear. Niggas ain't shit out here. Late nights in my room, I fear that you are not looking back.
Hey y'all, so it's your girl TT Logan. I'm back again with another video, and today I did this pretty like black, like a jet black rainbow smoky eye. I've done this look before, but today I feel like was my best attempt at it. I did dabble in my Carnival 3 palette again just to see like the color payoff. Next time I do a look though, I don't think I'm gonna use all this black, and I'm gonna really give it a shot at what the colors can do on their own. And I'm probably gonna dab into some different colors in the palette too. I did a different new lipstick as well, but y'all will see all that in the video. I'm not gonna talk y'all to death. Y'all already know what it is. Let's jump into the video. I'm going back into the Tahiti palette again today for a second attempt, and I'm just gonna use Black Beach that's in the palette. I'm not gonna be holding this palette up, y'all, because it's a little bit awkward. So I'm gonna try to go like in a circular shape. So Black Beach, I would say this is more of like a dark gray than a jet black. So I want to kind of go with this for now. And I'm just kind of putting that right there. Yeah, when I'm doing these looks, I have to remind myself to like keep talking, but I be so focused on trying to do it correctly till it's hard for me to remember to hold a conversation. That's so awkward. But anyway, y'all see how I got two completely different eye shapes. Like this eye right here is round, and this one just, girl, it's like Quasimodo over here. So I'm gonna try to correct that real fast. Let's try to fake the funk a little bit. So now I'm gonna just try to soften this black line. I'm gonna use like a big brush to do that. This is a Morphe M505. And I'm just gonna try to make it a little bit softer. Okay. Now I'm gonna switch to a smaller brush to do this other side. And just see if that like make a difference. Y'all, I'm telling you, I really just be winging it. Trying to do this lightly. So now that you've ruined your base completely and you now look like a beat up raccoon, you on the right path. I'm gonna put this right here. It's actually showing up way better on camera than it is in real life. Just using the same brush. So now this is Pink Lily, and I'm gonna kind of overlap as I go, because I want to put quite a few colors up here. Lightly overlapping coral. Think a little bit of bloom. Just there. Trying to relax my eye. Okay. And I can kind of use that to merge the pink with the purple. I'm gonna put this one right here. They blend, like just melt into each other so pretty. And I'm gonna bring a little bit of the deep over as well. Okay, y'all, I know we looking a hot mess, but just keep up. Now for the inside of my eye, like all of this here, I'm gonna put black. I'm gonna start off with Morphe M507. I'm just gonna take my time blending this up. Okay, so I just took my Maybelline New York Eye Studio black gel liner. I just took a little bit of this and I did my waterline and I tight line with that a little bit. For anybody that don't know what tight line mean, it just means that you did the underside of your top eyelid. So I put a little bit of black up top. Now, I'm gonna take that jet black from last time and put that in the like finish filling in my eye with that dark black. Can you tell the difference? Like, you see how, okay, you see how dark this black is, and then that black that I used at first is like a ashier tone of black. But this right here, y'all, I'm gonna be talking about this all the time. It's so smooth. Like, it don't even take much at all to blend that nicely. So let me go ahead and fill in this side. Oh my God, yo. Oh, I done dug the biggest hole in this black eyeshadow. Y'all know I'm hurt by that. Just go on and press that on. Cause girl, okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this black from my Ambrosia Cosmetics glitter stack. I'm gonna take the black on the bottom and this black on the bottom of my Glow Up Academy glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the glue with a blending brush for the first glitter. Cause I kind of want this like not as neat, and I want the glitter to be a little bit sparse. So taking the Ambrosia glitter first, I'm just gonna stamp it on. Okay, so that's even really pretty, like just like that. The Glow Up glitter have the chunky flakes in it. I don't know if it's gonna show up. Hold on. Yeah, see like the chunky flakes. So next, I'm gonna just take my Ben Nye glitter glue and just polish that over the top of my eyes. This add a little bit of shine, but I really like to do this when I have like my chunky glitters on, just to be like a safety net in case the bottom glue didn't adhere them down well enough. I think today I'm gonna do my foundation off camera, and then I'll come back to do my lips, and I'm gonna have my lashes on. Okay, so my foundation is on, eyes are done. I have on my Saharan 2 palette for my highlight. I use the top 2 gold eyeshadows. For the center of my face, I use my Anastasia Glow Kit, and what else did I use? The Saharan Volume 2 blush palette from Juvia's Place, and a Morphe eyeshadow to kind of contour, bronze, what have you. And then I'm gonna do my lips. Today I'm using, Nika K and A02 Brown Rose All Day lipstick in Dolce. It looked like this. Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 19 to lighten that up. I'm gonna use the Aaliyah lip gloss again, and just Oyster Girl. I love nude lipstick, y'all. Like, it just, to me, like, nude lipstick is pressure. Don't sleep on nudes. Okay, so just taking a blending brush with no product on it, and I'm gonna blend this out. Y'all, I be tripping because I always hear my neighbors. I think I'm just extra nosy. Like, I be listening, y'all. So pretty. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this look. As always, I did have a good time doing my makeup. I'm completely satisfied with the outcome, as you can see. But yes, let's leave me some comments in the comment section below. And don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know what you might want to see me doing in the future. You can ask me any kind of beauty related questions. I would love to interact with you guys a little more. And also don't forget to tell your friends to become my friends so we can all be friends. Okay, y'all, so I just did some swatches just because I really wanted to do it. But anyway, so the swatches are for this palette that I'm pretty sure you about tired of me showing y'all right now. I really like these shades. So Key Lime, Sand, them might have been the only two that just really don't show up. They don't really do much with the finger. I don't know how they do on my arm. So Key Lime, which is a loud green in the pan, and Sand, which is like a, I guess like a nude. I don't know, maybe it's because it's too close to my skin tone. But those are really the only shades that I so far just can't get a lot of payout from. But that's my look for today with my Carnival 3 palette. I really like it. Love the way that this came out. I just can't stop looking at it, y'all.